Hey guys, welcome back to Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to fix OBS video stuttering. So guys, if this ever encountered to you, the very simple solution is you could just simply search for your OBS guys and just simply run it as administrator. So running it as administrator alone can mostly fixes some issue. Now if it doesn't, you could just simply go ahead and open up your OBS guys. And from here, go for the file at the top left, and you will have the settings icon. And now, once you are on the settings, just simply go for the bottom and go for the advanced. Here on the advanced, guys, you can change this one into normal and see if that would work. Or you could just simply go for below normal or high if that will work. Now, if it doesn't work out, guys, what you could try to do is you could just simply lower your FPS. So sometimes lowering the FPS can have your video playback smooth. So guys, another thing that you could do is you could lower the frame rate of your game itself if you are gaming. And also, instead of display capture, try to add a game capture into your sources if that is your case. And pretty much you could adjust the settings as well into your output over here and go for the recording. So pretty much changing the video encoder, have a beam impact as well. So try other video encoder and recording format as well, and you could just simply copy this as well down below. And pretty much that's it. Just make sure to select apply and okay, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.